about it today because I'm gonna go to Puglia. So I'm here at the station, alla stazione, and then I'm gonna go to Rome and change there for Freccia d'Argento up to Bari, and then I'm gonna change again with treno regionale, a regional train, and then eventually I'm gonna get to Lecce. So let's start. I'm just gonna show you the station here in Nettuno. So come with me and we're gonna go just right inside where I have to get a ticket. Devo fare il biglietto per Roma. So I have to buy the ticket to Rome. But first of all, I need to stop because I need to put la mascherina, my mask. Okay, what a surprise. Then Domenica chiuso. So let's start. Let's go, and check where I can actually purchase a ticket. Posso fare il biglietto qui. Guys, I actually made it. Ce l'ho fatta. I was kind of in a hurry, that's why I didn't film when I make a ticket. And next time, I make sure I actually do it on the internet if I leave from a small town such as Puglia, because the tobacco shop was actually closed. So, and there was una coda molto lunga, a huge queue for the automatic machine. So, but ce l'ho fatta e ecco qui il nostro biglietto. Sono sul treno. I'm actually on the train right now. Prima di prendere il treno dobbiamo convalidare il biglietto. Vediamo qui, infatti c'è uno stampo che vuol dire che il biglietto è stato convalidato. E adesso guardiamo qui sul treno, abbiamo anche la presa per ricaricare il telefonino o il computer, ma io il computer non ce l'ho al momento. And so this is the train, and we also have, again, that's the plug for the computer or to charge your mobile phone, so it's quite convenient. And this is what it looks like. So this one is treno regionale, so that means that moves just within the region. Ciao ragazzi, I've just arrived and I'm just outside the Roma Termini. So this is again the station. I'm just gonna show you. And then if you need taxis, it's quite easy because you can just read on the taxi sign there, and they just waiting over there. So i taxi sono là, and if you need coffee, for instance, caffè trombetta, i tabelloni degli orari just behind me, so we can see arrivi, arrivals, and partenze, departures. Okay, let's have a look. Here there's tabacchi where you can actually buy tickets for the bus, for the metro, or the tube, or the subway in the States. Then we carry on here, and we have all sorts of shops. And what else? We have Mr. Canino, Chef Express, and this is Roma Termini, and you always have to watch your belongings. It's a bit tricky, but don't let it put you off traveling in Rome or just getting the train from Rome to go to other destinations. And also you have a new food lounge just upstairs. If you're looking for the toilets, they're called servizi. There we go. And also you have your translations in English. And then if we carry on, that's the entrance to the station itself, l'entrata alla stazione. And right now, lately, you're gonna have to get a ticket to go to the binari. To actually the platforms, you're gonna have to get a ticket. So if you're traveling somewhere and you got your ticket, you can get in, otherwise you cannot. You see, so like very strictly checked, and you can also check your timetables again. Sono mezza addormentata, actually half asleep, so it's time to get a coffee. So when you say vorrei un caffè, so you're asking for an espresso only. If you ask for latte, you need to ask for caffè latte, okay? Otherwise you're gonna get just a glass full of milk and a strange glare. And cappuccino, of course, we tend to drink it only before 11 o'clock in the morning, but you can drink it anytime. And also macchiato, which is an espresso, so with a little bit of milk. So let's go and see how this coffee tastes. But I guess it tastes really good because it's caffè verniano. Let's see. Ok, you're ready for some sugar. Ho messo già lo zucchero, quindi mescoliamo. It's gonna melt. Because I don't like it amaro, bitter. I don't like it bitter. A little bit sweet, not too sweet, un po' dolce ma non troppo. E adesso penso che sia ora di assaggiare il nostro caffè verniano. È un buon caffè. It's a good coffee. So hopefully I'm gonna wake up now. So ci vediamo dopo. I have to go and get a train. Hi guys, I'm with Freccia Argento and we're heading to Bari. I can't take these off because the mask is compulsory. È obbligatoria la maschera. I'm just going to show you around to see alta velocità. Abbiamo anche il pacchettino omaggio offerto da Trenitalia. Allora, let's see what Trenitalia is giving us. Oh, that's really useful. Abbiamo acqua minerale non gassata naturale. Acqua minerale naturale. Poi abbiamo qualcos'altro. Is there anything else? Oh, the mask. Guys, so I got stuck in Bari because we were like 30 minutes late, 13 minuti di ritardo, so I completely missed the train, the treno regionale, but I just paid a little supplement, un supplemento, and I'm gonna go on the fast train, so it won't really make a difference. I only paid 8 euro, even though it was their fault. Anyway, I got to see a little bit of Bari. Yeah, look at that. So I better go back in now and check my binario platform. I'm quite sure it's binario numero 1. I'll see you later when I finally get to Lecce. Ciao ragazzi, I'm actually here in Lecce. I got here after 9 hours, I think. So I have to change a few trains. I think it's because they actually not selling all the seats available, so I wasn't able to purchase ticket directly to Lecce. But anyway, I'm here now, ce l'ho fatta e ci vediamo domani. Adesso mi vado a riposare, I'm going to rest.